Today is Friday, which means is the day when we're meeting you all. So thank you again for joining us, guys. And what's on agenda for today? First of all, the great news, Biela is live. We've been waiting for it, and you guys are the first one to get to try the new live platform and to tell us the difference, your experience, and the feedbacks. And after that, we're going to move on to the new packages that we're going to be introducing on this call today. After which, we're going to talk about our Wall of Fame competition, the famous one, and the Q&A section. And at the end, I need you to stay all till the end. Our founder, Alexandru Cocindau, will be joining us and sharing his vision towards Biela. So let's start. For the beginning, I would like to bring in my colleagues, Ms. Miruna and Mr. Marius. Miruna is
Hello.
our project lead, and
Hello.
Marius is our full stack developer. So, guys, hi. First of all, big day, right? Biela is live. Finally, we've been waiting for it. How do you feel about it?
Everyone was waiting for this moment.
Right? And I want to know everything. I want you to share with me everything. We've been talking a lot. There is a lot of hidden surprises for all our users. So let's start. So you're going to be sharing the screen on the platform,
Yes,
showing all the features.
exactly. All the news that we have.
What's the great news? What's the big thing? I need you to drop a bomb.
Well, we have many surprises for tonight, but the main one is the new web container that we just launched now. We made the deployment right now for our users.
How great is that? We're experiencing it all together. And the main thing is we have our own web container that's so big and this is so great. And I can't imagine what Biela will be capable of.
Exactly. All the limitation, all the issue that we was facing because of the web container, it will be gone from now on. We have full control on everything.
Does that mean that it's going to be more, how can I tell you, like a more smoother process and it's going to be faster?
It's for sure it's gonna be faster, and for sure it's gonna be better and better every day because every day a lot of people are working to improve everything.
Great, great. But I think this is the most important part is that Biela has its own web container. Congrats to us and to all Biela enthusiasts and users.
And also, Marius has for us another news. So please, Marius.
Yeah, on top of the web container, we built something called Content Studio. So
All
now on,
right.
you can upload your own images, give it to Biela, and use them as much as you want.
Wait. So basically, yeah, you can now build your own library. You can have your own portfolio on your website. You don't
Exactly.
need anymore any image generator. You don't need to get anything from anywhere. Because I remember in the last call, we had a question where someone was asking if they can create, for example, a website and present their own work. And at that time, we had to use a different external link where we upload it and then we introduce this link to Biela. So no more directly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
exactly. So that
This is
limitation is
great.
gone.
This is awesome. This is awesome. This is great news. So, and what else? What else? Tell me more.
Okay. Another news that we have it's related to the AI part basically. Until now we had a single AI, and from now on we will have three version of three separate AI.
All
Uh,
right.
Depends on the project that you want to do. Basically, in this moment, no more input limitation. It's much more higher the input limitation that it was in the previous version of Biela.
Can you tell me more in terms of what is the difference between these AIs and like give me more info on this. I'm
So
pretty sure I'm excited
we
to
are
know.
using we are using now Cloud Sonnet 3.7. Which is until now, I think, the best AI in terms of how to structure an application, how to start basically an application, and how to put together all the steps that you want to do for your future application. But unfortunately, this AI has a little bit small limitation in terms of input that you can give.
Mhm.
That's why we decide to introduce Gemini 2.5 Pro and Gemini 2.5 Flash. With both these two versions, my suggestion it will be to continue your project which was started with Cloud Sonnet, because Cloud Sonnet it will give you the full structure of your project if you will describe your idea, and once you reach the limitation, switch to another one and you will have a higher limitation for this, which is very
Perfect.
hard to be hit.
That's great. That's great. What else we have there? What else Biela comes up with?
What else? What
So
else?
basically, we have now option. Wait, first of all, we have our own web container. So it's now going to be processing all the prompts more smoothly. It will be faster. It will have less errors, less issues, right? And just a reminder to everyone, in case if you're facing any issues with Biela, guys, we're active on Discord, on Telegram. You can contact us directly through the platform. We're here for you. Please reach out to us. So then we have our own content studio, which means that we can upload directly images. Is it also extended to the videos?
Yes, it's extended to the video as well. You can
All right.
upload your own video, and if you will specify to the AI, you can use that link.
All right, perfect. So basically, we have our own content studio. You can now create your project using your own photos, customize your website platforms. Like, this is great. Another thing is we're going to be introducing the packages, correct?
Today, yes, we will have and we will present the packages.
All right, but that's going to be for John, okay? I want him to do it, and he will give us more insight about it. So another thing is, can you go over the platform one more time? Let's see, like, how it looks now. Yeah, what is the difference between the beta version and the official one?
Well, one of the news that I have that I didn't share with you yet, it's once you create a project, from now on you can share your project with a friend, but with the condition because he or she has an account on Biela. Basically, I can start a project and I can share my project with you. And let's build something together, and I will share the project with Marius. He will share the screen and he will show you the same project that I sent to him.
Wait, can you guys collaborate on the same project this way?
For now, no, but in the future, in the near future, it will be possible to collaborate and to
I feel
push
like I
on.
just ruined the next surprise for like the next upcoming calls. Sorry.
It's okay.
I always like to jump up front, you know. But okay, let's create something. I want to see how Biela is performing now.
Okay. So I was preparing here a small prompt for a website, because we don't want to spend too much time to see how it's
No, we have a
coding.
lot for today, yeah.
Yeah, we have a lot for today, and I was preparing just a small website to be ready as fast as possible.
All right.
In the meantime, until the AI will analyze everything and it will send the code and it will start to compile, I want to present one more time to the people our settings part, where you can find your details about your project. From now on, you don't have your details about your project just in your dashboard. You have as well in your code, and you can analyze and you can check everything during the time that AI is writing your code. You have here the possibility to download your project, to export your chat if you want to analyze your prompt that you were sending in the past, or you want to check which was the best approach to talk with Biela. You can also duplicate your project. Let's say now I want to start another project because I have another idea. I can start from this step with another project, and also from here I can share my project with another Biela user.
So basically, you can resume the project. You can start a new one at the same time. You can share the project that's ongoing with another Biela user at the same time to get their feedbacks or opinion, correct?
Exactly. Or even they can they will have basically a copy of my project, and they can start to build their own application based on
that to synchronize with you.
Yes.
All right, perfect. Another thing is, I remember that our users used to ask about the history. So
the history part, yes,
exactly. So it's all there now.
We have also the history part with the prompt that the AI was giving to the response that the AI was giving to us. For now, I have just one because I sent just one, but it will appear more and more, and I will show you again after the AI will finish to write.
Okay, this is great. This is a big update as well.
Yes. Also, you can find the information about your database. Let's say I have a dashboard, and I was connecting to a database. I want to know exactly when it was created, what size I hit, the region that I have the server. In generally, it's most for the people who are a little bit technical, but it's also for the people which are not technical to know, because on the database at some moment it's possible to have some limitation on the free plan. So if you will hit the size, it's clear you need to pay from now on, and you will know all the time in real time your size of the database.
Tell me one thing: having the database now, it expands the doors to more opportunities in terms of what Biela is capable of creating, right? So what type of project, like you confidently say that Biela capable of completing from A to Z, since we have all these new features that have been implemented? I think it's a very good question. You see?
Exactly. In this moment, Biela is capable to build an entire application with the database, with everything. For example, let's say starting from a small application shop, where I can create even my dashboard, and I can upload the product, the picture, the details of the product, where I can see the buyers, where I can see the orders, and everything I can build now with Biela.
Can it create, for example, an admin dashboard?
Yes, it can create an admin dashboard. It can create different dashboards for, let's say, admins, employee, another type of users.
Can you
in our
create
example,
a small ERP system with Biela, since we have a database now? I like to repeat it.
Yes.
Yes.
Now we can build a fully system with Biela.
Guys, can you see? You are not limited only to the website or, like, I don't know, things like that. Or no, like, be creative. Think about the industry that you want to hit and use Biela for that. As you can see, we're creating all the opportunities for you to use just one tool to get all this. I think it's a tremendous job done within minutes. Like, seriously, this is awesome. This is great.
During the time that we were talking, we will have now an entire shop, basically.
Yeah, exactly. That's another example of how. And look, beautiful so far. Yes.
Also, I want to remember to the people,
Mhm,
because we have our own domain management. They can
mhm.
deploy on their own domain directly from Biela, and they can check our YouTube to see how to use this deployment part. We made there a tutorial, and they can check how to set the DNS and everything.
Yes. In general, guys, don't forget to constantly check our YouTube page because we're working on all your inquiries and we're trying always our best to give you the guidance over how to simplify your whole experience with Biela by making nice videos for you to watch. Very short, very informative, and it will answer all your questions.
And very clear,
Yes.
basically.
That's why it's important for us to hear back from the users.
Exactly. And also, in the meantime, I can present you the Content Studio,
Yes,
the library that
yes,
we
I
was
would love to
creating.
see that.
That's why it was for the
Yes.
final. Okay. On this Content Studio, we can manage the pictures or the video. We can add our own folders. Let's say
Mm-hmm.
I have a website and
Mm-hmm.
I want to split my photos into different pages to
All
know
right.
exactly which one is from where,
Mm-hmm.
and I can create my own folder. Let's say this is for
Basically, you can
home.
structure it now and
Exactly.
then upload the whole folder with a certain number of images in it.
Not the whole folder. You need to select the images. I mean, I can
Yes.
select the folder for now and send directly to Biela. Tell to Biela, I want this image here, and this here. I need to send and explain which one it will be where,
All
because
right.
if I'm gonna, like an example, if I'm gonna tell you I have these three images I want to be on website, you will not know where exactly
Here,
in the
exactly.
website.
Correct. Correct.
It can be in the homepage, but maybe instead of putting me on the carousel, it will put on the footer.
So basically, you have a chance now to create the folders based on the needs where you won't be able to use it, and then link
Exactly.
it to those folders so it will use it as a library basically until it completes the project.
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly.
All
And
right.
what you need to do is just to specify where to put that picture to be clear for the AI where to place the picture.
Yeah. All right. Okay, this is awesome, really. And this is just in just last few weeks, you know,
Yes.
clear example how BLA is getting better and better.
We even create our Biela robot.
Yes, I love this part. It shows how much, like, there is a passion behind the project. This is great.
Yeah, yeah, we create Biela preview and Biela. Oops, the AI is crashing.
It's not us, guys, just for your information.
Yeah, it's not
But the
us.
Yes,
website
this
is
is
done.
not us. It's the AIs that we're using for this.
But the website is done.
Yep.
Yeah, I just want how long it took, how long we've been on the call already. 28 minutes. Let's say like the first 10 minutes I was just introducing everyone. So like let's
Uh,
give it,
no,
yeah.
the 19 minutes we are on the call. The first 10, it was the.
Yes, yes, correct. The first 10 was the preview video.
So
Okay,
now
so
I have my home page, well structured, our floral services, our services.
can you imagine no more hassle of sitting with designers and UI, UX designers and going over the mood boards, choosing how you want it, finding the inspiration, the referral or whatever, being creative with the name. It even selects for you the name. Guys, this is so awesome. Like seriously.
It's
And
even,
look how beautiful and how clean it is.
we have our team as well.
Yes, the colors it's used, it's very soft, it's very nice to the eye. It
Yes.
already has all the images. It has all the pricing structured for you. Is it interactive? Can we go like add to the chart? Did it connect already, or you need to give another prompt for that?
No, it's not. I even didn't ask to create a connection with something. For
So
now, just it's just for example.
what was your prompt exactly? Like, did you write a lot? Did you give like a lot of? It was just one sentence, right?
Yes, it was just one sentence, and I will show you the prompt. Create for me a presentation website for a flower shop. I want to let to the AI to decide what to add in this shop. And
That's
it's
all. Just create
a good
for me
job.
a flower shop, guys.
Exactly.
One sentence, and you have a full digital product in your hands. Like, seriously, give me excuses more than this. Like,
Even if you don't
really
have any idea,
powerful.
if you don't
Perfect.
have any idea, ask Biela what you can build, and Biela will build
Yes,
for you.
even you can ask Biela, like, inspire me.
Exactly.
This is awesome. I think this is great news. And everyone who is already using Biela will be very happy for all these new implementations, because this is just great. It's a huge update. And like, I wasn't expecting less than this from you guys. Like, come on, within 1 month, boom, with the full version, better, stronger, smarter. Come on. And it's just a beginning. So now let's talk about commercial part of the whole thing, because now we're introducing the packages, and we will explain basically what package serves for what. And even more, Miruna, I want you from this development side to tell us, for example, how much you can create with each package, like what are the advantages, and basically let's get into that. Can we have John in the studio, please? John, join us.
Hello, Zeba. Hello, everyone.
Good
Hello.
evening. Thank you for joining. So, how you like to say, let's get to business. So,
The first thing, I just want to congratulate the development team on the amount of progress over the last few weeks. I think anyone that's been on the journey with us can
awesome,
see
guys.
it's
Really.
been a fantastic effort.
Mhm.
And I think a commitment from all of us at Teach Me Code and Biela that this is the start of the journey, not the destination. There's
At
a lot
all.
more coming,
Yes.
and we're all very, very excited. Just to give you a little bit of insight around how we've tried to make sure that this is accessible to everybody, and relevant to everybody, we've tried to keep it simple but effective. So our entry-level package is going to be $29 per month. That's going to give you access to the fundamentals of Biela, what you've seen and what you know Biela can do. You'll be able to create with Biela. There will be certain limitations, not least in the amount of tokens that you'll be able to use. So we're giving access to 10 million tokens. There's a lot you can do with that, but it's an entry-level package.
You can create the same type of the project that Miruna just displayed to us.
Comfortably.
Correct?
Comfortably.
Like,
Yeah.
so you can create a couple of them, because it takes a very, like, it's a very not limited prompt, but very simple prompt. And also it basically depends on the complexity of the project, how big you want to go, correct?
Exactly that. So
All right.
the more sophisticated the project becomes, the more sophisticated the AI would need to be, the more code that needs to be written, inevitably, the more work that needs to be done, the more
Correct.
cost that's associated with it. But $29 a month, we think, is very reasonable, especially considering the amount of effort and work that has gone in to create this. And hopefully it means
this
it's
is very
accessible
nice.
for a huge
Yeah, yeah,
community of people.
This is perfect, and this is very good start for anyone who wants to get to try Biela, because with the even starter package, you are gonna get the access to a perfect tool that can create for you things within a minute. And the best part of it, that you don't even need to have a coding background.
Exactly.
So that's what differentiates us.
If we look at kind of tools that operate in this space, often when you upgrade a package, you either get a better standard of service or you get more capacity. And what we've tried to do is do both of those for our community. So if you notice, the Creator Plus is our premium offering. Not only do you get an additional 14 million tokens, so way more than double the amount of capacity, but you're also getting an upgraded service. You're getting more sophistication from the AI. You're going to be able to build more sophisticated projects. You're going to have quicker interactions, and you're going to have a priority level support from the Biela team. So for only $59 per month, or the equivalent in whatever territory you're in, you're not only getting, like I say, significant upgrade in terms of capacity, but you're also getting significant upgrade in terms of capability.
I think it's perfect for like a freelancers and like people like that will like use Biela more often.
Exactly.
Right? Yeah.
For those, again, we're trying to show the ultimate level of flexibility and support for the community that is working with us. So in addition to that, if you know that a project is requiring a little bit more work, we're also going to be offering customized upgrades. So you can say to Biela, you want X amount more million tokens on a one-off purchase, and you can go into Biela and use the Biela calculator to work out how to do that. So we're not asking people to commit to packages forever that they're not necessarily going to use. They can invest at the time that they need it.
So let's say that if I bought a package, for example, for $29, right, and I run out of tokens, I always have an option to top up my tokens, correct? To complete the project.
Exactly
awesome.
So again, we're trying to make it as accessible as possible to as many people as possible.
Yes. All right, fair enough. And let's go to the big package, because what comes with the number?
For our enterprise customers, we're effectively we're not effectively, we're committing to 1 billion tokens. 1 billion tokens for $3,000 per month. This is effectively creating Biela as a partner to your business. Not only that, you'll also get access to dedicated resource from the Biela team. So you'll be able to use our people to support your projects.
Will our CTOs mentor them and guide them through?
Exactly that. So
guys,
it's important to note what we're offering here. We're not building projects for the community, but we are supporting the community with dedicated people who have built Biela or who have built significant projects in Biela and can expedite an enterprise growth plan.
Can in any of the packages, for example, people have a shared accounts or something like that?
Shared accounts, Miruna, tell me if I'm wrong. No, we're not doing shared accounts. Enterprise would be kind of a company-wide account, but shared accounts, we're not doing shared accounts.
Have the option of adding.
Yeah, so the way in which you'd want to work as a team is you'd need 2 people to have access to Biela, and then you can share projects and ideate together and build together in that way. That would be the way to do it in terms of shared access.
All right.
But we're not doing shared accounts. There's another important point I'd just like to highlight on this. So whilst we see here monthly pricing, those people that are committing to us, we will invest in as well. So if people want to commit to an annual plan rather than a monthly plan, we will actually offer a not insignificant discount to those people to show our appreciation for their commitment to us as well.
So basically, guys, think smart before you purchase the packages. See what you will need Biela for, how often you will use it. And basically, for the long-term commitment, we're willing to meet you halfway. Not halfway, but certainly. Yes.
The only other thing that I'd just like to highlight on this is, in terms of how people use Biela, we want to make sure that people are using Biela as effectively as possible and are proud of what Biela is producing on your behalf. So what you're going to see, first of all, follow us on all of the socials, look back at some of the how-to videos and tutorials that we've done. There is going to be more live workshops coming out. There's going to be more course content coming out to show you how to do specific things in Biela. So as we release new features, and we want to empower you to create on your own. So follow us on the socials, join the live workshops, take advantage of our community, and let's grow together.
I will tell you one thing. This is going to be like a very value added for our community, for users, and for anyone who wants to learn prompting, right? So Teach Me Code soon is going to be releasing the whole new courses about it. And basically, you can educate yourself first by taking our courses, and then also how can I tell you, elevate your whole experience with Biela, because you will get the full understanding on how to train it, on how to use it, and how with the minimum input to get a maximum output.
Exactly
So
that.
yes. It's in your hands. It's a great tool. I swear. I wish it was like out there already years ago, because it's great. It's great, and I'm pretty sure that a lot of people will be appreciating having access.
Exactly. I
Exactly.
do want to just add one more thing, because I saw a
Mhm.
question come up about people moving between plans.
Mhm.
So
Yes.
again, we want people to commit to Biela based on the quality of Biela and the quality of the team behind Biela. But
Mhm.
if you want to upgrade, or you complete a significant part of a project and don't
Yes.
need so much capacity moving
Mhm.
forward, so want to downgrade, you're completely entitled to do that.
All right. Okay, that's perfect. That's perfect. So if you purchase, for example, the launch pad, and then you decided that you need more access, you can always basically
Take
upgrade.
more,
Yes.
and maybe you're doing a significant amount of work at different times of the year, so you need more access to better product, better services, more
Exactly.
speed, more tokens, whatever the case may be. And then at another time of the year, maybe it's a little bit quieter, you want to move down, you're able to do that. Just
This
go
is
and make sure you're aware of the limitations associated with that, so you don't lose anything that you're
let's agree, not
anticipating.
a lot of platforms offer such flexibility in terms of the package changes. Usually you
Exactly.
can upgrade, but when it comes to downgrading, that's when everyone is facing the issues, right?
I
So
think
you don't have that.
I think it's representing our belief in Biela and
Yes.
our commitment to support our community.
Exactly. That's one of the things. So, talking about community, let's move to the topics that our community is most excited about is the competition, because I love the drive that everyone have around. Okay, so guys, let's move to our wall of project showcase. But before, John, would you like to stay with us? It's actually so much fun, like checking how much people can create.
I missed out last week. I was
You
watching,
missed
but I
out.
wasn't
It
here.
was
So
great. I swear to God, you should have seen what people are using Biela for. Like, it's super creative. In my head, I was like, we will have like e-commerce. But no. It's actually great what they're using for.
I'm here.
So,
I'm here.
yes. So we have 10 new projects that have been uploaded to the competition board, right? So
Yes.
before starting that, I want to highlight something, all right? Guys, since we have moved to the new version, the better version of Biela, we have decided to, there was many factors that made us to take this decision. We're extending the competition until 15th of June. Basically, we're giving the chance to everyone for one more month to how can I tell you, to basically re-upload their projects. You can redesign them, or you can upload a different one, remove this one. You can get the new votes, and basically giving you guys chance to work better on that and to compete on a fair base for the prize. One of the reasons that we're doing that, and I really want to highlight this part, okay, we are creating this opportunities such as this competition with a very good heart and good face towards the community, because we want to not only give you the product, but we want to motivate you to create with this product, and maybe to push you towards making that first step towards achieving your dream, basically. For us, it has a very strong meaning behind this competition. We want to see what our community is capable of creating and what we can build together. And we had cases where people decided to misuse this competition, and a lot of profiles have been created and voting have been taken in a wrong way. But you guys forgot about one factor, that our developers, they barely sleep. So if you think there's 24 hours in a day, for our developers, it's definitely more. So we're monitoring this voting and the competition very closely, and we're taking this very seriously because, as we said, we're entering this path with a very good face towards you, and we expect the same. Therefore, how can I tell you, the user that did not follow the rules of a competition, the project will be disqualified and we will be removing, and the same user cannot participate in this competition anymore. And for everyone else, it's just a chance. Use it, grab it, please, and create your best project, upload it, and be the winner. At the meantime, I have to announce that with the new version of beta, there is a new rules for the competition. So now, since we have launched a smarter and a stronger, better Biela, in order to participate in a competition, you need to have an active account. Your card, you have to be subscribed to one of the packages that is offered, right? And you only then you can basically, and you need to have 3 referrals that you brought to Biela. And then you can participate in this competition and upload your project. At the same time, people that can vote for you, they need to have an active account and they need to have minimum 3 referrals that they brought to Biela. I think this is fair enough, because at the end of the day, the prices that we're giving away, it's worth every single hassle. So guys, now we're starting from the fresh page. I encourage you all to take this chance seriously and keep in mind that we are here watching and making sure that it's all transparent, we're following the guidelines and terms of the competition, and that we're not taking the chance from the, how can I tell you, from those people that are really meaningfully and hardly working on their projects and giving it to those that have, let's say, more of a trickier mind on how to obey the rules. So it's all by the book. Please register, upgrade to buy the package, have your 3 referrals, and upload your project, and let the best one of you win and get the prizes. So now let's see what another 10 new project we have uploaded.
I want to say one more thing, because I'm reading the comments. The winner, it will be determined by the likes that the project has, but all the project, it will be analyzed by us, and all the fake votes, it will be removed.
Yes. Yes. Guys, I will explain again. I appreciate that you guys are supporting this initiative, because at the end of the day, it's for you, for the community, and for us as well. So I will explain one more time. In order to participate in this competition, you need to be subscribed to the package. As of today, we're starting, because today we launch the live version and we're launch the packages. So you need to be subscribed to the package. You need to have 3 referrals in order to be able to submit your project to the contest board, correct? People that will vote for you, they need to have an active and verified account and need to have 3 referrals in order to vote. Basically, it's a fair way of making sure that people don't add any create dead accounts just for the sake of voting and taking the $10,000. Let's say we're talking about the first place prize, because this way it's not fair towards the others who work hard in order to get the same prize. We want to give equal chances to everyone. So I think it's fair enough. And if you guys have any questions regarding this, please feel free to ask us when we move to the Q&A section. All right? So let's go now. Mirona, show me what's the additional 10 projects. Guys, for all of you who want to see the 53 projects that we have checked. You can go back to the last call. It was very nice, and it was very, how can I tell you, interactive. You can see we went over all the projects. So now let's see what was new added, and then we'll move to Q&A session. All right?
Exactly. So the first project is a luxury website with premium design.
All right. What is it for? Wait, I want to read it. So, Opulence website is a meticulously crafted digital experience designed to embody luxury. It utilizes sophisticated tech stack, including what is it? What's the key features of it? Interactive portfolio with model views. Can you scroll down?
Yes.
Next call, I'm gonna take control. All right, this call you took control. Last time it was that. I still like try to, move my mouth pad and it does nothing. Animated testimonial, carousel, custom loading. Okay, go on. I want to see where is it. It sounds luxurious. So appointments.
Can you refresh it? That's a nice loading animation.
Yep.
Can you refresh it?
Wait. I wanna go up. What is it about?
Yeah, I like it.
Yes, I like how the things are, the animation. Yes, it looks very nice. Okay, you can scroll now. So premium, we offer specialized appointment setting services designed to help coaches. What do they do? Furniture, consultant skills, area business, the team book. Wait, can you go to services? I really want to know what is it about. Guys, like make it a bit self-explanatory, I think. We offer, appointment setting, lead generation, outreach campaigns, sales funnel okay, I got it. It was the whole time in front of us. I was looking for some more details. So book a call, see where it takes us. Does it work?
It's a contact form.
Yes, it does. It's the contact form. Very nice. Okay, go please to success stories. Let's see the testimonies, how they introduce it here.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh,
nice design.
Yes.
Oh, 2 rows.
I think if you scroll down, there may be one more.
Oh, 3.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's a nice layout design.
Yes. And you can join and write your review right there. Perfect.
Yes.
Amazing. Can we go to about me? I'm challenging I got into the taste after the last call. I want to see more now. Hello. So scaling coaching business was already okay. So he is being is it it's a life coach, business coach, this type of coaches?
Something like this, yes.
All right. Okay.
Very nice project. I like the animation. I like
Listen, let's do one thing. All right. Okay. Let's do one thing. I saw that on the list we have still projects that are having error and stuff. How about we leave it for the next week, because I feel like we can dedicate the whole next call for the projects and go over them. But guys, just a short message. Well done. All right. Continue, work on it, and made the best one to win. So for now, let's move to the Q&A session, because we're running out of time. I just noticed. So we still have a lot. Q&A session. All right. So let's see. Can we upgrade the plans? Yes. The answer is yes. You guys are not committed to any certain packages. You can, based on your needs, upgrade the package, or if you don't want to upgrade, you can add tokens and etc. I saw the mini clip. Oh, no, that wasn't a question. Are winners determined exclusively by the count? Yes, exactly. It's basically we don't select the winner. Community selects the winner. So whoever has the highest number of votes will be the winner of the contest. Therefore, we encourage you guys to use our referral link and invite people to support you in this project. What does rollback to a prompt actually do? I think this question is for Miruna.
Yes. So for the rollback function, let's say you implement something that maybe you doesn't need anymore, or maybe you doesn't like how it was. So you can go back to the previous version before you implement that feature. It will take you back in the past, basically.
All right. Can you take a look at healthcare appeal helper, please? Guys, next week we will do it. As I said, you have now 1 month. Trust me, I'm dying. Next week we will do it. We're gonna go all over the projects and like we'll give you feedbacks. We'll guide you through it. So please join us next week, and I promise all the projects will be there. Does Biela generate super base game automatically based on the prompt? Miruna,
Yes.
take the mic.
Yes, Biela, it's able to generate automatically the schema based on the prompt that you will send.
All right.
Is there any leadboard or track way to track
Affiliate performance.
Yes, we have our affiliate platform, but for now it's not fully ready. It will be starting with next week. We will deploy a new version.
Okay, but at the same time with the current version, the affiliates, they can create the teams, they can join the teams, and they can see who joined their team and the performance of the people within the same teams, correct?
Exactly.
So basically, you will just get a better version of whatever you're having now.
Correct.
So there is a system in place. Perfect. Do my referrals need to pay for me to get commission? I mean, they need to buy a packages. Yes.
Yeah.
How referrals work, guys. Don't confuse us, please. Okay.
We want to support the community, but we're not a charity.
Other than that, we don't accept any other contributions. Please stick to the packages. Welcome. Next. Can I link multiple Supabase projects to one Biela account? Miruna?
Yes, you can link multiple project with Supabase.
All right. Okay, perfect. How do I connect a custom domain to my site?
You can check our YouTube channel, and there you will see step by step how to connect with your domain.
Guys, you know, we even made it, like we named those tutorials in a way to make it easier for you. It's called How To. So check, all the tutorials are there.
Exactly.
How can I earn with the affiliate program? Well, would you like? Basically, again, we have all the information on the platform, how to join and what are the benefits. Beside that, there is also the PDF version that they can download. Beside that, we have on YouTube shared our previous calls where we were explaining the whole affiliate system, how it works, how to become one, how to basically refer people, how to create your referral code. So you can find all those answers there. Okay, in case if there is something that we didn't cover previously, please feel free to reach out to us and we will tailor for you the answers. Is there a way to connect an OpenAI API key securely to a project for generative output in the web app?
Yes, you can explain to Biela what you want to do and tell, because you want to use OpenAI, and once Biela it will finish, it will explain you where to put the API key. In generally, it's not okay to send the API key through the chat. You will put directly in the file that Biela will explain you where, and it will work perfect.
All right, great. Can I view and manage my Supabase tables inside Biela?
No, you can't. You can see your table, but you can access your Supabase dashboard from Biela.
All right. How long does it take for a domain to go live after connecting?
If we are talking about custom domain, not the .on Biela.Dev domain, depends on the hosting. Once the DNS part it's all good, it can be instantly, it can be in few hours.
All right. Got it. Perfect. Guys, I think we will wrap up with Q&A for today because somehow I don't know how the time has flew by. It's we had a very good session today. So join us next Friday. We will have more and we'll go over the projects and we will talk to you guys more and answer your questions. And I want to invite here our founder, Mr. Alexandru Cocindao. Alex, would you please join us? We want to hear your vision and the future steps towards Biela and basically.
I'm very happy to be here. As you see today, I have a new background, and this is our small robot, which you will discover it in many places, especially in the preview when the project is rendering and working live for you. I want to thank first of all to my team for the hard work and to make you all understand that what we are talking here is minimum a few hundreds of thousands of hours of accumulated work and hundreds of years of accumulated experience in development from the entire team. We will continue developing Biela and being more and more competitive in the market. As you can see, Biela of pre-launch is not the Biela of online launch anymore. We will have a physical launch in Dubai, as we said as well. We will reach there, I hope, with great and fast steps. More than this, we will create continuous Q&A on our Telegram group, which I invite you all to join, because once you're in the Telegram group, all these questions, they can be asked and received there any moment. We will allow you to be in contact with one of our CTOs if you take one of the highest packages. Speaking about the packages, we do know that they are extremely affordable, and this is what we are exactly planning to do and how we are planning to keep them. We will do have educational packages as well, because we want to empower and we want to support education in AI also. Us basically, Biela, what is it at its base? It's Teach Me Code Institute. So for us, education comes before any other project. Speaking about Teach Me Code, we are going to update our course database, and you will be able to have access to AI training as well, but not only in vibe coding, but also in image generation, video generation, and many others. So one more time, thank you for everything. We invite you to discover Biela more and more. New features are going to be added every single week, maybe sometimes bi-weekly. It depends on the complexity. And we are bringing now the big cavalry behind us. Big, let's say, partners are starting to register in Biela. So thank you very much one more time for the team. Thank you for being here and being with us. Don't forget, participate in the contest. Fair this time. We are keeping an eye. And yes, all the projects which have not been, let's say, fair, they will be disqualified within the next days and removed from the list. However, we are not going to block those accounts. We are going to offer second chance because we do all believe in second chance. But please play fair, because this time we are going to block the accounts in case somebody is trying to fake the votes. So thank you very much and wish you a great weekend forward. Thank you, team. Thank you, audience.